The time has come to unveil the final sewing pattern for 2023 that you can purchase on my website at sewyours.com. Please meet the runaround wristlet, and if you are not a fan of wristlets, we have the crossbody purse as well. Here is the runaround wristlet that we make in the sewing tutorial, and the runaround wristlet is going to be perfect for confident beginner bag makers. Let's go over some of the features that the runaround wristlet and the crossbody has to offer. First off, they both have a slip pocket on the front of the bag, and this is perfect for cell phones. I have designed it large enough so that you can get a large cell phone in there. This is an iPhone 6s Plus, goes in and out with ease. On the front flap, you can go ahead and do a magnetic snap closure, or you can do a turn lock like I've done right here. All of the hardware that I'm showing you in the video today can be purchased on our website, and we are selling hardware kits for the pattern. So on the back exterior of the wristlet only, we have a zipper pocket. I like to keep change in my zipper pocket right here. That way I can keep everything nice and secure in the pocket. Now on the main zipper compartment, we have a card slot pocket. You can keep 2 to 4 credit cards or your ID easy at hand in those credit card slots. On the opposite side, we have a slip pocket. I like to keep my cash. I just go ahead and fold that in half and slide it in the slip pocket. The main compartment is perfect for keeping your keys, chapstick, pen, any other small items that you want to carry with you. So the perfect bag for just your essentials. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the crossbody bag. The biggest change is obviously you can carry it crossbody. And like I mentioned earlier, there is not a zipper pocket in the back, and that is because we have the strap connectors in place of the zipper pocket. And what I love the crossbody for is that you can go ahead and wear this to craft shows. Whenever you are traveling, you just want to carry your essentials at your hip. You want to be hands-free, and you don't really want to feel like you are carrying a purse at all. This is great for you. This is also going to be wonderful for children. So little girls love to be just like their mothers, and they want to carry their own purse. This is the perfect size purse for a child. You can make your runaround wristlet or crossbody in quilting cotton, vinyl, cork, or any other fabrics that you like to work with and your sewing machine can handle. You do need a couple of small pieces of a non-fraying fabric for the slip pocket and card pocket trim. I recommend using a woven interfacing for any of your quilting cotton pieces. That way it gives it a little bit more durability and takes that stretch out of the cotton fabrics. We do sell sew woven fusible interfacing on our website. And to give your runaround wristlet some structure, I recommend using a Decovolite as your stabilizer. As I mentioned earlier, we are offering hardware kits for both the wristlet and crossbody options. So let's go over what is going to be in Kit A, and that is for the wristlet. First off, you are going to get one 23mm gate ring. So I do recommend purchasing at least a 23mm inner diameter gate ring, or larger if you'd like. Then you are going to receive 3 grommets. Now you only need 2 grommets to make the bag, but we are throwing in 1 extra for you as a practice. So if you've never installed a grommet before, you might make a mistake or you might smash it the first time around. So we wanted to give you that 1 extra. Our grommets have a inner diameter of 13.5mm, but I recommend at least a 12.5mm inner diameter grommet. You are going to need 1 3/4 inch wide snap hook. You are going to need 1 rivet, but we are throwing in 1 additional rivet for you in the hardware kit. And you're going to need at least a magnetic snap, or you can do a turn lock like we've done on a few of these. The hardware kit is going to include the magnetic snap. If you want a turn lock, you'll need to purchase that separately. All right, moving on to the crossbody kit. You are going to get 1 magnetic snap, or like I said, if you want the turn lock, you'll need to purchase that separately. You are going to get 2 3/4 inch wide snap hooks, 2 3/4 inch wide D-rings, 1 3/4 inch wide mouth strap slider. Then you are going to get 2 3/4 inch wide strap ends. Now you can use 1 or 2 on your crossbody strap, whatever you like to do. And then you are also going to get 6 rivets, and those rivets are going to be 9mm by 9mm. In addition to the hardware kits, you are going to need number 5 zipper tape, 1 9.5 inch wide length for the main zipper closure, and 1 7.5 inch length for the back zipper pocket if you're making the wristlet. Lastly, you'll need 2 zipper pulls for the wristlet or 1 zipper pull if you're making the crossbody. If you want your runaround wristlet to be convertible and carry it as a wristlet in addition to a crossbody, I recommend purchasing both hardware kits. I have timed myself to see how long it takes to make the runaround wristlet and the crossbody. It takes about 45 minutes to cut out the fabric and interface and stabilize, and then it takes me now about 2 hours to sew it up. It's going to vary depending on your bag making skill level and how many you've made already. So I would say it takes about 2 to 3 hours to sew up a runaround wristlet or a crossbody. Thank you so much for watching. You can go ahead and purchase the sewing pattern in addition to the hardware kits on our website at sewyours.com.